Good morning, my dear students. I hope everyone is good and safe at home. So, and enjoying online classes also. So, soon we are going to continue the classes in school and hope and pray to God that everything will be okay as early as possible. So, with the same hope, with the same belief. Okay, so today again, let's continue the second lesson, the paying the forestmen of India. Okay, so for the next part, right? uh, so where we were, so in the class the paying, so after finishing 10th standard for his livelihood, and he just left the things, that 100 cows and buffaloes, and makes his life from selling milks. But he is no ordinary cattle owner. He can lay claim to 1360 acres of dense and the Flint forest. Just continue. Okay. In the fertile period between April and June, he planted the forest. He rattles off the space like named from the intimate family tree: bamboos, bahid, teak, okay, gambery, custard apple, star fruit, okay, glamour, devil's tree, okay, terminate, mulberry, mango, jackfruits, plum, peak, bananas, elephant grass, and medical plants, and so on. So in the month of, means a period between April and June, he just planted the forest. He started planting the trees, and it became one day a forest. He started planting the trees like bamboos, okay, custard apple, star fruits, okay, mangoes, jackfruits, banyan tree, elephant grass, and some other medical plant. The rest of the year he collected seeds and sapling within a span of 5 years. 1 kilometer stretch and land got covered with a dense vegetation, okay, dominated by trees. Local inhabitation, sorry, local inhabitants nicknamed him Moloi, meaning forest, and dubbed him his woodland the Moloi forest. Okay, so in the rest of the year, so apart from April to June, from next month, from July to March, he used to collect the seeds, and within the span of 5 years, 1 kilometer, okay, stretch of land got covered with a dense, okay, vegetation dominated by trees. Okay, so for remaining years, he used to collect the seeds and clean the roadside, all those things, to plant the trees. So just in 5 years only, just kilometer covered 1 kilometer. At the age of 39, Piang moved with his family to Eklong Missing, Goa. Okay, Kikulomuk, Jorod in the year 2011. This means that now his day breaks even before dawn at 3 a.m. and a localized, okay, sledge began. So now he is 39 years old. He just moved to his family to another place, that is in Jorad, okay, Kokilamuk. This means that his day breaks even before dawn. So he used to get up early in the morning, 3 o'clock. He cycles an hour to Karthik Safari, then row his boat for about 5 kilometers, and then cycles again for half an hour across grass made down road to reach his cow shed to clean out the dug, milk their cattle and spread cattle's manure to fertilize the field, milk dispatched for sale, and a quick breakfast behind him at 9 o'clock, and he is ready to walk into his jungle. So it's beautiful, no? So students, he cycled an hour to Kartik Safari. Okay, so early in the morning he used to get ready, take his cycle, and for half an hour he used to cycle, take the cycle and cycling. Then for 5 kilometers he is doing work again for the grass meadows area. Hmm. So 5 kilometers he built grass fields. There he used to see, and after that he used to go to cow shed to clean the dug and take the milk cattle and spread cattle around there for the fertilized field. Okay, means leaving those to that place, and take all milk, collect all the milks and dispatch for sale. And he just made a quick breakfast at 9, and now he is ready to go to his jungle. The forest that Pink grew now houses 5 Royal Bengal tigers, over 100 deers, wild bears, more than 100 vultures, several species of birds, including pelicans, 3 or 4, greater one horned, okay, rhinoceros behind the course, the snakes who were at the genius of this extraordinary story. Now the forest he grown in that there are 5 Royal Bengal tigers, 100 of deers, and a wild bear. Okay, more than hundreds small birds, kinds of these things, and it was the specially placed for the snakes for the forest. I a herd of 115 elephants visited regularly for 2 months. In 35 years, the Royal Bengal tigers have feted off 85 of my cows and 95 buffaloes and 10 pigs. Paying says, matter of factal, then added jokingly, they means tiger do not know farming, you see. See, a herd 150 animals visited regularly to 3 months to 4 months. Okay, for 3 months to 4 months, elephant used to come regularly. In 35 years, the Royal Bengal tigers have feted over 85 cows. Okay, so tigers, Royal tigers have eaten 95, 85 cows, 95 buffaloes, and 10 pigs. Okay, then Piang says, so it is a matter of only the life of struggling. So by jokingly he said, they tigers means tigers do not know the farming, so that's why they do hunting. Next, surrounded by his beloved trees, Paying may well have remained in their shadows had is not to been for Jude, okay, Kalita and the local wildlife photographer who pushed an article on him and the vernacular daily in 2010. Today, Jutus is Jadav's friend and mentor. The local administration, however, were not so forthcoming. After that, sometimes again there was a friend came to meet him, means a wildlife photographer in the year 2010. Today, Jutu means the photographer, is a friend and mentor for the Jadhav. Okay, the local administrations, however, were not so forthcoming. It is a huge forest and cannot be protested by the handful of staff. Paying believes that law enforcement alone cannot help protest, okay, well-known spaces. His sage advice is to form community reserves and organize awareness camps to the guard against the poachers and conserve wildlife. Then he said his wish is to that he cannot protect forest from his 2 hands. There must be some enforcement, means there should be support from the local authority or panchayat or from the forest department, that at alone I cannot protest this thing. his sage advice, his polite advice, his one kind advice is to build a community reserves. Means community people will come and save and organize awareness. We'll do some awareness camp regarding the savings of the tree, savings of the animals, birds, and all. Okay. Then he was saying to his friend, soon the world began to take notice for his remarkable solo undertaking. The Jawaharlal Nehru University invited, paying on the Earth Day, and honored him with the title of the Forest Man of the India in 2012. So he just sit, he didn't see back, and he just started working, and he just didn't believe, he just didn't listen anyone word, just he just went like working only. Okay. And soon the world began to take notice. So after sometimes if you are doing good things, okay, the world will recognize you, world will see you. If you are doing bad things also, the bad good world will recognize you. Okay. So but he's doing for good job. So very recently in the year after 2 years, means in the 2010 he spoke with the photographer, means his friend. After 2 years only, the Jawaharlal Nehru University invited, okay, Jadhav on the Earth Day, and just they honored him with the title of a Forest Man of India in the year 2012. Later that year, and then the President APJ Abdul Kalam facilitated him with a cash award in Mumbai. The same year, he was among the 900 experts who gathered at the 7th Global Conference of the International Forum of the Sustainable, okay, International Forum of Sustainable Development at the event in the France. Okay. Sanitization Best Owned Office and Wildlife Service Award in the year 2015. He received the Padma Shri. Wow, what a great achievement for him. Let's see, students. So later that year, after 2012, he just got felicitated by our beloved President, late President APJ Abdul Kalam, with the cash award in the Mumbai. In the same year, he was among the 900 experts who gathered in the 7th Global Conference, International Conference, that is forum held in France. So there he was awarded with the Best Service Wild Service Award in the year 15. And later on, just he received the award of a third or fourth greatest highest civilian award of India, that is Padma Shri. However, prizes matters little to this man for whom the whole covered forest stands up in the ovation. This is very beautiful word. Okay, the prizes and the awards honors is secondary to him, because he is, for his work, the whole forest is standing, he is giving a standing ovation. The Padma Shri is an award for the encouragement, he says, but my aim has always been to do good for the country. Even the President of India has to do something for the earth, otherwise there will be a nobody left, nothing. And just he said a beautiful word here. Okay, the Padma Shri award is, and for encouragement it is good, I am very happy. But so my aim is to be a good for the country. Even the President of India has to do something. Then he's saying to the President of India or to the country, we should do something for the earth, we should save the earth, we should save the water, we should save the animals, birds, forest, all those things. Otherwise, there will be nobody left. Otherwise, he's saying, if there is no forest, if there is no trees on all, So it is very difficult to live our life. For every school child is given a responsibility to grow 2 trees, it will surely lead to a green India paying urges. So just he is saying to every childhood, every school children, if he grows, take responsibility and grow 2 trees, surely the India will be the not India, green India. Okay, exactly. The he spent all the cash award on the more forest he has now. Okay, recruited 4 laborers for the planting as he eyes another 5,000 acres area. So now see, just he was whatever he got the cash award from the government or from the awards or from society, from agencies, he just all the things he's spending towards the forest, and he just recruited 4 persons for planting and keeping eyes on the trees. But his target is to spread his work for another 5,000 acres area, means to build a trees. All his waking hours paying sees the world in green. Come sunset, he wends his way back home on the bicycle for his 8 p.m. meal. Tomorrow is another day, and in it lies the seeds of many more forests. It's a beautiful ending, no? So after this work, okay, he just want to see the world in green. Okay, comes sunset in the evening, in the night, his way to back home on his bicycle at 8 a.m. 8 p.m. sorry, at the meal times, means dinner time. Then believing the things that tomorrow is another day, and in it lies the seeds of the many more forests. And just he says that tomorrow is another day for me, and it is a lies that seeds of many more forest in the things. With these things, so dear students, it's a very beautiful lesson. It is a very heart touching lesson. Okay, so like that also we can learn something from this lesson is whatever we are doing, whether people are supporting or not, if you are happy with what you are doing, okay, if you are happy, if your soul says that I am doing for good purpose, if you believe in God, okay, if you are doing good things, so just believe in God, do your work, day or another day it is going to recognize in a big manner. For doing good things, there is always a people to pull your legs, say so many words behind you, so many words before you, but we should not focus on those words, we should not focus on those persons. We have to do our good and just believe in God. That's like the Jadhav has done a very unforgettable work to the world till the earth is there, till the earth will be there. So this person name will be there. And for forest also, he just built a forest and now he is still alive. So for my dear students, now still he is alive. So you can see his videos, how he is looking, how he is working. Still he says that I want to see the world as greenery, not India, I want to see the whole world greenery. But only thing is that I cannot do alone. So I just request to the government or for the authorities, so hold your hands, okay, help me, and we'll just together. But even though his day starts at 3 o'clock, does all the work, and at night he goes to home 8 p.m. for meals, and just to believe that tomorrow is another day and it is lies the seeds of the many forest. Again means so many seeds, so many small trees are waiting for him, that he would come and meet for the next day. So he was not an ordinary person, my dear students. He just got honored the Forest Man of India from Jawaharlal Nehru University, and just facilitated cash award in Mumbai with APJ Abdul Kalam, and with the 900 experts gathered in the global conference of International Forum France. There he got him Wildlife Service Award, and in the year 2015 he received Padma Shri Award. However, he says that award is not enough. It is a small things. I would like to go further. I would like to do something better. I just want to see the green India, green world. So with dear students, I'd like to conclude that it's very beautiful poem. Just we learned something from here. So with these students, the same spirit, the same hope. Soon we'll meet. So soon with one more beautiful lesson in the next class. So thank you so much for being listen this beautiful lesson. Thank you, and take care. See you soon. Thank you.